Hey family, so we are here at William Ruth. What's the school called? Ruthin. So we are here at this hall. If you watched our other vlogs, like previously, we had local Kameki here, so that's the hall that we're at. But it is Easter Sunday. Oh, it is Good Friday, and we are here with the girls.
Team no sleep.
Team, this one definitely didn't sleep. This one caught a little bit of Z, and I caught a little bit of sleep too. But we're waiting to start service. We hope you guys enjoy this vlog. Guys, before this vlog continues, make sure you give this vlog a thumbs up and comment down below hashtag happy Good Friday. How are you feeling about today?
Got a bit of butterflies, but when you start singing,
Did you catch some sleep? 2 hours. 2 hours from our band leader. Did you catch some sleep?
no, I didn't sleep today.
Didn't sleep at all.
Didn't sleep, This team don't sleep.
Sleep is for the weak. We got Sister Mal here. He's just mentally preparing yourself for my spoken word. Yeah. my rap. Hey bro, did you catch any sleep?
Yeah.
Or did you go home and valu the kalo?
I got heaps of sleep.
Did you get any sleep? I know. What time did you go sleep? Liar. T did everything. Yeah guys, so the reason why we didn't get any sleep is because we were here till like almost 2 in the morning, and then everyone had to go back home, do their kuka for we had to do our kuka for the 50 hours. So we're doing these like kuka, and oh, here's my sass. Yes girl. Everyone, did you get any sleep?
I got 2 hours.
2 hours. There you have it, 2 hours. Okay, I'm gonna pass you to Via. She's gonna quickly go and take you to where the barbecue is gonna be happening, and get a morning greeting from Dad.
Morning guys, I am Via, as Sarah said. So happy Good Friday. I'm just gonna show you around to money. I'm just gonna show you around to the barbecue area. Here's our little, oh, excuse the lighting. Here's our little barbecue area where we will be selling the sausages for today. Got the fathers of Thomastown. See, face off, look.
Maro, good morning. Maro na masuk buku melang imai. Ayo, every time from the
Yep.
Maro le, so for mo melang imai. Manuia le setai, so say Cristiano lava o fa long mai. Como me foi tapo ingan netai out.
Yeah, there's some of our fathers. So yeah, basically this is where we'll be selling our sausages for today.
Can I talk?
Yep. Face off, look.
The wall of Sura. The wall of Sura. So, we are going to lie. Facciamo fatto in foglie la mawal fasal la wale yaso. Yor le yaso fa manat wa ma liwo Yesu Kristo. Ni na fala ba algo sa tau la vea ilo so fuba ma tu bola. Ata foi le o sa so poto ai de faris fulo Victoria. Le Assembly of God Church of Samoa Victoria. Fa tai ono le amnoa ya la nga ko ira au na mai se o e o lo fi mai ya wasta po inga a le ku o ma tu fa ma pu po ne a wanta ringo sua au no fa tua fa muia ne tua la ma tu tanga fa muia ne tua ya ti ta to ne ya so no fa fo Yesu amene ona sua le ya so le tele tu le ya so po ma la singa que ella le tu happy Easter.
Yeah.
That's a wrap. My man, Come, Casey, showed me the ropes on the sound. It was a good day. Just to give you a quick rundown, the team's been here since yesterday, I think 6 p.m. Just setting up and getting everything ready for today's Easter Combine, Good Friday Combine, and then we come in early this morning. Again, some of the team members didn't get to have a rest. They come through. What a guy! So yeah, the vibes are good here, the energy is good, everyone's happy to see each other. This is our first combine since before lockdown. That makes sense? Yeah, I think that makes sense. But yeah, it's all done, it's a wrap now. We can just kick back and do what we gotta do. Yeah.
What's up, family? So currently we are just packing up the hall.
Boom!
We hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. We have to go take all the instruments back to our church, set up, and then go home and eat. I'm hungry and I'm so tired. But family, please, if you like this vlog, please give this vlog a thumbs up. Comment down below, hashtag Happy Good Friday, and like we always say, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. 3, 2